Alright, here we are once again in the cockpit of the 737 to show you the controls. The ailerons is when you turn the airplane left and right, and that rotates the airplane about the longitudinal axis. The elevator is when you pull back or push forward for climbing or descending. That's about the lateral axis. And down at the floor, if you can see it or not, we have the rudder pedals which are attached to the rudder in the back of the plane, and the vertical stabilizer which rotates the airplane about the vertical axis. From the ground, it's a pretty big airplane. Here we're just by the nose wheel here. Make our way down the fuselage. Here's the wings and the engine. You can see at the end of the wing you got the aileron that we were talking about, which helps you roll about the longitudinal axis, turning left and right. And inboard you have the flaps. Farrell's going to show us what happens when you turn the controls to the left. I'm going to turn them to the left, please, Farrell. So as you can see, the control column's gone to the left, and I'm going to show you the ailerons. Let's come back through the cabin here. So he's got the controls to the left. And back here at the wing, you can see that the left aileron is up. Got some flight spoilers as well. And on the right side, the right aileron is down. So we're turning left, the right wing goes up because the aileron is down. And on the other side, the aileron is up, reducing lift, and the flight spoilers also are helping it reduce lift to make this wing go down. Here we are at the tail of the airplane, and we're going to move the elevator down. We're going to put the nose down, and you'll see what happens to the controls. There it is. You can see the elevator's gone down at the back. And now he's going to make it go up. You see it's gone up as well, quite a distance. So there's the control surfaces for the 737. Alright, so now we're going to show you how the camber of the wing changes when the flaps go down. When the flaps go down, it increases the camber, which will decrease the angle of attack that the wing is able to fly at. So here comes the flaps down on the 737. You can see them starting to move out the back of the wing here. The leading edge devices have also deployed, which increases the camber. Check the other side. See, they're coming down more now. And it creates quite a difference in the wing, as you can see with the flaps down. There's the flaps fully out. Now we're going to retract them again. You see the back of the flap starting to go in. That was a 40-degree deflection. the leading edge should start coming in as well. Not so much the flaps can change the camber of the wing.